This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use cruise control in Chevrolet Cruze. Start by accelerating to your desired speed, then press the cruise set button to engage. Keep a safe following distance and monitor road conditions constantly. Use the cancel or brake pedal to disengage quickly when needed. Practice in low-risk environments before using on highways to build confidence and familiarity with controls and feedback. Turn cruise control on with the switch on the steering wheel, then reach your desired speed and press SET. Small taps on the plus or buttons adjust speed in measurable increments, letting you fine-tune without braking. If you brake or cancel, use RES to return to the prior speed when safe. Always verify speed against posted limits and adapt promptly to changing traffic and road grades for a comfortable and compliant drive. Cruise control is a convenience, not a substitute for attention, so remain alert and ready to take control at all times. Avoid using cruise in adverse weather, on winding roads, in construction zones, or heavy stop-and-go traffic. Remember that adaptive systems vary, and basic cruise won't brake for obstacles or sudden slowdowns. Manual intervention is essential to maintain safe spacing and respond to unexpected events or changing road geometry.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.